Hi Ravi, thanks for attending a PMP training at Armadillo Consultants. How is the overall experience with the training?
Overall experience, I could say it is better than the best, what I could say, rather than awesome or kind of. Because the thing is, actually, if you go for the trainings, wherever, because I had been for the trainings, for a couple of trainings which is related to management trainings and other self-development trainings, where when I compare with the trainings, because usually to rate the trainings, we need to compare. If you say that, if you accept it, then I can compare with the previous trainings which I had. The training, if I can see here, is a two-way speech where I can see it is not like that. Being the fact it is a PMP certification training, it is not like only the bookish knowledge where we are getting it. It is the overall view what exactly the project management program is, and what exactly the project management and how what are the activities which is involved in it. That is what I learned in the overview where yes, we have to study. Unless and until we study, we can't succeed. We have to study to get the minute things in the subject, what exactly it is. This is overall the professional view, or what you could say, it is a flavor what we get, and based on that we can build a full-fledged knowledge.
What learnings from this training will you be able to apply in your job?
Yeah, really. Because the thing is, if you ask me, the learnings here, what the responsibility, what you could say, and the ethicality, where we can introduce. Like, it is not that I am not ethically good at it currently what I am, but the thing is, the things which the policies which is not aware of it, what exactly the project management manager does. Because I came to know few of the policies where we can, if it is not there, yes, we have to implement it. Where we can try and we can get the things done, which is where we can recognize based on the trainings what we have here.
So, when are you planning to take up the PMP exam?
PMP exam, first of all, I need to go through the mock tests, and then I need to go back and then refresh all the trainings what I have. Based on that, once the mock test is done within within 15 days or 20 days, I would like to take a test.
So, what kind of guidance you have got it from this training in exam perspective?
In exam perspective, which concepts do we need to concentrate more, and how to study rather than simply going through the contact and then going through and studying it as a bookworm. It's not like that. What exactly, which are the topics we need to concentrate more, and then how to optimize the time for preciously, and how to manage the exam of 4 hours, how we have to plan it accordingly, and what kind of questions it is better to answer initially.
So, will you recommend this training to your friends or colleagues?
Actually, yeah, because the fact here it is not like if you don't feel it is we are in a training, because it is a training, because we if you say the training, usually it is like strictly by forcefully we are sitting here. It is not like that, and that too because we spend hours to hours in the office, and we already saturated with the work, with constantly sitting. But however, if you come here, it is like refreshment, or if you relax the way the teaching is happening here. So that I can recommend my friends, because they won't feel they are spending much hours here.
So, what kind of experience with the trainer Hari Krishna?
I could say it is a friendly relationship what I could find here, rather than a trainer and a trainee kind of relationship.
So, what kind of guidance or motivation you want to give for PMP aspirants?
Motivation, I could say strictly, rather than having, yeah, usually before training or taking a training or attempting for the exam or for the certification, we will be having some assumptions. And unless and until you don't have experience, though you have an experience, you will be having some assumptions. It's better, yeah, you have an assumption, and come here and get the things what the trainer Hari Krishna he tells, and then based on that, it is better to follow it, or try to put in your way. Understand the theme what Hari Krishna says, and then try to put in your way, and then get a success in a shorter span or in a smart way.
All the best, Ravi, for your PMP exam, and thank you.
Yeah, thank you.